In this video, I will show you how to turn off calls on Instagram. Sometimes receiving calls can be distracting or annoying, whatever the reason. It's easy to stop these calls with just a few steps. First, open up your Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Next, tap on Notifications. Once you're in the Notifications section, tap on Calls. As you can see here, it's currently set to From Everyone, meaning anyone can call you through Instagram. To change this setting, simply select Off. This will disable all incoming calls via Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below.